Zoe battery. Zoe 12 volt battery, easy to replace. Down here you've got like a little pin. Now push that through, and then that allows this water tank to move over to the side. On top of the battery now we've got, so on the battery itself you've got the negative and you've got the positive. Do the negative first. Obviously you can just use a spanner for this, or a socket set. You've got a clip on the battery, the front and one at the back. So just remove those clips, and that allows this whole bit to come up. Just push that to the side, and down here you've got the clamp. Let's see if we can get that for you. So down there is just the clamp bolt, so you can use the Torx for that. So down there it's a T40 Torx, where you can use a socket. So undo the clamp. Just remove the clamp. Now that battery is ready to come out. So I just need to lift that out. Replacement battery. It should move around a bit, so get it pushed up to the back, and then we're going to put this clamp back in, and it goes in that way. So you should feel when the screw goes through the hole. So just clamp in place. Going to put on the positive first. So put on the positive first, get the clips and just push down front and rear, so they clip over the edge of the battery. Do the positive. Once the battery changed, just got to put the water tank back in. Front and rear we've got those tabs like that, so they go on these platforms. And just get it onto the platform like that, and then just slide it in place, and then just put that locking pin back in. For that, so locking pin clips back in there.